Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Now, this just happened. A shooting in Millet. And that's the young man right there. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this. Okay? So this just happened. A shooting in Millet. Okay? That's in St. Lucia. And I want to warn the people of St. Lucia and the Caribbean surrounding area that there is a tropical storm coming. So make sure secure up house and all of them things there. Okay? Safety first. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. But before I go, like me say, shooting in Millet, it just happened. I'm gonna keep my ears on the ground. Just let you know this. Okay? Countryman, I'm out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.